Okay, so been welded both sides. Keep in mind this is flux core and a Harbor Freight welder because my other welder is worn out and I've just not gotten around to rebuilding or replacing it. But I have to grind down, check for any bad spots, and then basically deal with that. And then I'm going to add some sort of bracing because I don't like this design, never have. But it was really hard to get it into place to weld it because it's all twisted and mangled for the most part. I mean, you can see this one's pretty straight. This one's puckered out. So, I mean, I know it's all tweaked, but at least the joints are back together. So that's the main part at the moment.